My dear students, today we are reading the story A Piece of String by Mopsa. I would like to introduce the writer. I will tell you about the writers. Writer is Mopsa. He is a French writer. He was born on 5th August 1850 and died on 6th July 1893. He was a popular French writer. He captured his story in few words. He writes his story in few words, and usually he discusses moral themes. Moral themes. He was popular French writer of 19th century. He is called the father of modern short story. Means he is the father of modern short story. He was noted writers of 19th century. His famous works are The Necklace, A Piece of String, Drowned Man, Wreck, and usually he wants to teach something to the society, and particularly he addresses the babies, children. Mostly his story attracts the attention of the children and babies and young persons. So he is also called the writer of young person. Mostly he reveals in his works morality, psychological study, tension for man, and problems of common man in society.